how to remove TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your TikTok and after that go to your profile, and after that you will be able to find the three lines at the top right hand side corner. Just simply click on it, then select the option of settings and privacy. After that, click on the option of security. Then you would be able to find the option of manage app permissions. Just simply click on it. After that, you would be able to find the option of TikTok shop. Simply click on it. Then you would be able to see the option of remove access at the bottom. Just simply click on it, and this way it would confirm whether you really want to remove the TikTok shop. Then just simply click on the option of remove in order to confirm your intentions, and after that you would be able to remove the TikTok shop. And that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.